GlamDollz back again with another skincare video, and this time it's from Dollar Tree. I'm using the Bolero Coconut Cream and Vanilla Paper Facial Mask and the Exfoliating Cream Cleanser. Okay, so the instructions indicates that you got to cleanse your face with warm water to apply the mask evenly across your face. So I have a bowl of steeping hot water, and I have a clean facial cloth, and I'm going to apply the clean facial cloth onto my face. And the warmth of this cloth is already giving off that spa-like experience. That feels amazing. But I'm going to gently wipe my face just to prep my skin to apply the mask evenly. And I'm going to take the mask out of its packaging. And I got to tell you right off the bat, it has a lot of serum. So this can get very messy very fast. So I'm going to pull it out of its packaging, take the excess serum that's dripping, and I'm going to immediately just, wipe that on my face. Don't want to waste no product. And gently unfold this mask to get it into its right shape to apply onto my face. So once I begin applying this mask onto my face, the very first thing I notice is how effortlessly easy it latches on. Look at that. So easy. Another thing I noticed is the size of this mask. It is not too small for my face. It's actually covering the entire perimeters of my face. Look at that. Bolero really came through, and to say it's just $1, your girl is not mad. So I'm going to go ahead and smooth this out, and I'm going to leave it on for about 5 minutes. That's what the instructions say. So I'm going to set my timer for 5 minutes and wait my 5 minutes because the mask is promising to smooth, soften, and repair my skin. So 5 minutes later, I'm ready to remove it. But before I do that, I do want to quickly share with y'all one thing. This hard candy makeup kit that I purchased for only $10 from Walmart. Hello, it's coming with your own makeup case. It has the lipstick, it has the highlight, it has the eyeshadow palettes, and a primer for only $10. Stay tuned, a video is coming up about it. So anyway, back to this mask. I'm going to gently now remove this mask, and wearing it, it promised to smooth, soften, and repair my skin and to leave my skin feeling refreshed and revived. I gotta admit, it really did come through on delivering on its promise because my skin is feeling amazing, okay? I'm gonna rub in that serum, and then I'm going to take that clean facial cloth again out of the hot water. Ooh, that water's hot. And I'm going to cleanse off the remaining serum by applying the facial cloth onto my face. And I say this a million times, the warmth of that facial cloth alone is giving off the spa-like experience, honey. So I'm going to cleanse off the serum, and then I'm going to move into using the cream exfoliating cleanser, okay? That's what we're going to use next. So I want to give you a close-up as to what it's looking like. Here is what it's looking like. You see the little beads in there. That's the exfoliator. And this is the coconut cream and vanilla face scrub right here. And like I said, the little round beads is what the exfoliating portion is. I'm going to wet my face just a little bit. And then I'm going to scoop some out of the jar and begin applying it on my face in circular motions. Now, the cream cleanser is promising to exfoliate my skin, to remove dead skin cells, and to also get rid of the toxins that is deep within my pores. So I'm going to go ahead and massage this in circular type motions all over the entire perimeters of my face, including underneath my chin area, because that's where I tend to drag my makeup down at times. And I'm going to continue in circular type motions, doing this for about, give or take, a good minute, because I usually count down from 59 when I'm massaging this onto my face. So do that for about a good minute. Once I finish, I'm going to go back and take the clean facial cloth again. The warmth feels amazing. That is what's really giving off that spa-like experience. But I'm going to go ahead and gently remove the remaining face scrub residue from my face. And automatically, as I'm removing this, I can see a difference in my skin. My skin texture is way better than it was before. It feels amazing, extremely soft, extremely supple. I kid you not, it's just an amazing product. To say that this was only $1, oh, you have to get it out of your local Dollar Tree. It's a must. So another thing I've been using is my Age Perfect Hydra Nutrition as a moisturizer. Truth be told, your girl, she's approaching half of 100 soon. Yes, I did say that, half of 100. And I've been using this Age Perfect moisturizer to hydrate my skin. It doesn't overwhelm it, and it makes my skin feel so much more amazing, so much more supple, and the moisture lasts a long time. And it doesn't overwhelm my skin, nor does it clog my pores. So I'm gonna massage this all over the entire perimeters of my face. And now this really did just conclude the video. That mask, oh my gosh, and this cream cleanser, you gotta get it, dolls, especially that exfoliating cream cleanser alone. And don't forget, if you have mature skin, look into this Age Perfect Hydra Nutrition by L'Oreal. Amazing products at amazing prices. Anyhow, oh, my skin feels amazing. Oh, yes. Don't forget, I will be sharing this in an upcoming video, so stay tuned for that. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. I'm going to go ahead and finish enjoying my skin, and I will see you in another video again shortly. Later, dolls. Oh, my skin feels so good.